Hey y'all, welcome back to Curls Pop Naturally. So excited to have you all back for some more fun this week. We are doing a part 2 of how I protect my hair after a protective style. Last week we did the during a protective style, and now we're gonna do after. So of course, after you take out a protective style, you have all of this buildup. You have this new growth. You have a scalp that has not been washed and cleansed in several weeks. So it's time to focus in on getting that scalp back clean, back nourished, back to its normal state of being. So what I like to do every time I take out my braids is to do the Aztec Indian healing clay. And you do that as you put it in as a mask, basically, on your hair. And it really helps rejuvenate your hair. Your scalp really gets that deep cleaning that it's needing after all of that buildup. I, of course, work out almost every day. So all that sweat has been trapped in there. All of the dirt has been trapped in there for 8 weeks. So this clay type mask really gets in on the roots. The most important part of this whole process is getting it to your scalp so that that is fully cleansed. So this is actually a face mask, but it does really great things for the hair as well. I'm just gonna read it's what it says on the back. Feel your face pulsate. It's for facials, acne, body wraps, clay baths, foot soaks, chilled clay for knee packs, and insect bites. Enjoy the benefits of clay in your own home. Beautify and refresh. So, as far as the instructions on how to make it, you mix the clay with equal parts raw apple cider vinegar and or water. Use a non-metal bowl and utensil. Stir the mixture well to a smooth paste. Add more clay or liquid as needed. So I have the clay here. I have my apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna do it in just a regular plastic cup, and then I have a fork because I don't have the spoon. So we want to do equal parts. So I'm just gonna start with eyeballing it because I got a lot of hair. And then I probably have about a cup of the clay. So equal parts, I'm gonna put a cup of the apple cider vinegar in. You'll see it like start to fizz up. Oops. And you just stir it together. Make sure you're using plastic, anything just basically non-metal, because it won't do well with the activation process. All right, I'll try to let you guys see what it looks like once I get it all combined here. Also, make sure you have a towel. You don't want to get this on your clothes, or wear a shirt that you don't mind getting things on. See, mine is a little too loose. May have put too much apple cider vinegar in, so I'm going in with some more of the clay just to even things out a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Because you want it to be like a clay consistency. All right, so as you can see, it's pretty thick. So if we need more, we can always do more. No big deal. So get my towel here. And I will start with y'all in the front. And I start mine off on dry hair. I've never seen anyone do it on wet hair, so I just stick to what I know. All right, let's put this over to the side so that I can show y'all what I'm doing here, just so that we don't have any breakage, because the clay does get a little thick, and you just don't want, once you put it in your hair, you don't want to mess with it. You don't want to comb through it or anything like that. So just take a little bit of it, make sure we're getting it on the roots there. Definitely the most important. It's gonna feel like a paste almost. And another thing that it really does that I've seen is it really helps define my curls as well. So that's what I really like about it. If you're having issues with any like heat damage, or you're trying to repair your curls, this mask does wonders for that. If you want to see how it looks there. Again, you can see that it's getting pretty thick there. You don't want to manipulate it anymore. All right, so I'm gonna go through and do some more of this. I will show you what it looks like at the end. All right, so we have all of it in there. Really wanted to focus on the roots, the scalp. Didn't put too much down past the ends of my hair. It does get really crunchy and crispy, so just wanted to get it on the main part where I wanted to focus and get all of those good nutrients and get everything activated and working in there. I keep it on for about 5 to 10 minutes. Go ahead and rinse it out, and then I'll just do my normal wash day. I'll still wash and cleanse it, and then do a deep conditioner, and then just style it as normal. But this is meant to really rejuvenate the scalp, really deep clean the scalp, get rid of all of that buildup, and then also help to repair those curls. So really important step for me in my specific journey, just to make sure that my scalp is completely clean and that it is getting back to the normal state that I'm used to it being in. So thank you so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Go ahead and give me a comment, like this video, subscribe to this video. Just let me know if you've ever used the clay before, if you've ever used it as a face mask. Let me know. Let's get talking about it. Thank you so much, and have a Merry Christmas.